I'm going to show you how to indent blocks in Notion. I'm using the sample page indent blocks as an example, so you can clearly see what happens. Move your mouse to a text block. Click on the text block. You will see the cursor appear inside the block. Press the Tab key on your keyboard. The block moves slightly to the right. This means the block is now indented. After that, I create a new text block called Block 1. Then I create Block 2 and press Tab to indent it. Next, I create Block 3 and indent it as well. To move a block back, hold Shift and press the Tab key. The block moves back to the left. You can repeat this to move it further left. I use Shift and Tab to move Block 3 back to the original position. Then I move the other blocks back as well. You can press Tab to indent blocks and Shift plus Tab to move them back. That's how you indent blocks in Notion.